In today's video, I'm going to show you how to debloat Windows and optimize it for better performance. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. Step 1. Removing pre-installed apps. Let's start by getting rid of those pre-installed apps you don't need. Windows often comes loaded with apps you'll never use, and uninstalling them can free up valuable space and resources. Go to Settings, click on Apps, then Installed Apps. You'll see a list of all the installed apps on your system. Scroll through and uninstall any apps you don't need. Just click on the three dots to the right of each app and select Uninstall. It's that simple. Step 2. Disabling unnecessary startup programs. Next up, let's disable unnecessary startup programs. These are the programs that automatically launch when you start your PC and can slow down your system. Right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Then, click on the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of programs that start with your PC. Disable any that you don't need running at startup by right-clicking on them and selecting Disable. This will help speed up your boot time and free up resources. Step 3. Disabling unnecessary Windows services. Now let's tackle unnecessary Windows services running in the background. These services can consume system resources without you even realizing it. Press Win-R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and hit Enter. This will bring up the Services window. You can go through the list and disable any services you don't need, such as Xbox Services, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Search, if you're not using them. To disable a service, right-click on it, go to Properties, and set the startup type to Disabled. Then click Apply and OK. But be careful, only disable services if you're sure they're not essential to your system. Step 4. Cleaning up your disk. Finally, let's clean up your disk to remove temporary files, system junk, and other clutter that could be slowing down your PC. Search for Disk Cleanup in your Start menu. Open it and select the drive you want to clean. The tool will scan for files you can safely delete, including temporary files, system cache, and more. Once the scan is done, select the files you want to delete. Click OK, and then delete files to clear them out. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll significantly improve your PC's performance by debloating Windows 11 or Windows 10. Your system should now run smoother and faster, without all that unnecessary clutter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.